Hey guys, this is Somnath. Welcome to another Notepad++ tips and tricks tutorial. In this video, we will learn how you can split lines in Notepad++. Now, why would you like to split lines? Let's take an example. I have a large set of text which is having long width. So, number of characters are pretty long. Now, one way to wrap this is using a word wrap. So, I can use this feature called word wrap and it will wrap the text. But let's say we want to break at a fixed length or fixed width of characters. Suppose 80 characters. Now, currently if I enable show all characters like this, you can see that these lines looks like a single line and there is a carriage return line field CRLF. But I would rather have these lines broken right at around 80 length character. So in such cases, Notepad++ split line features comes really handy. How can I use it? So it is pretty straightforward. All you need to do is you need to resize your Notepad++ to the width or character you want. Then you select your text that you want to do the changes and go to edit, then go to line operation and click on split lines. As you can see, it was able to break this line or split this line at around 80 character length. If you click on the show all characters, you will see that there will be a carriage return and line field at the end of each line, just like this. Now, if you recall previously, we only had a single straight line, which was spanning across a pretty long width, right? So this split line feature allows us to break the lines at our own decided column width that we want. We'll take another example. Let's say you have a HTML code and there is a code block that is pretty long and we want to break this at 80 characters. We will do the same trick. We'll select the block, then go to resize the window. We'll go to edit and then line operation and split the line. Now you can see that it has added this CRLF right here. So if you resize it, it will not expand over the entire width of the application. And also you can do the indent changes by using the tab key. Now if you like to learn Notepad++ tips like this, I'm going to upload more interesting videos right here. So please check that out. And if you like this video, please click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. Bye.